Hey guys, Garage Boys here, back at it again. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your DRL or notification on your Acura 2010 all the way to 2014 Acura MDX. So your daytime running lights, you'll get a message if one of your lights is out, which in this case is this one's. So there's one on that side and then one on this side. It's the light bulb on the right, which is this one, because this one will be your fog lights and this will be your DRL, your daytime running lights. If one of them is out, you have a notification and the dashboard is gonna look just like this. Bloop, that little symbol right there. And it's very annoying. And actually this is very important, you wanna have this on. So to take this off, to get to there, it's a process because there's a lot of covers. As you probably know, if you're watching this video, it means you couldn't do it yourself. But the process is easy. It's just a couple of screws you gotta take off first. So let me show you what you have to do. And then I'll show you how to have access to that little light bulb. So here we go. Okay guys, so there's 3 clips that you're gonna have to remove. Let me just focus here. Okay, so it's 1 right there, 2 and 3 array. Remove 1 just so I can show you what to do. Just get your flathead, come in here to the side of it, and then just kind of turn, push in and turn just like that, and it pops out. When it's out like this, you can then just pull it with your hand, push the base in, and come on buddy. There you go. So this comes out, and after that comes out, and you can remove this part. That's it. So do the same 3 times, 1 2 3, and then come here and use your size 10 socket and remove this corner bolt right here. So remove those 3, and I'm going to show you what to do next so you can get to that little light bulb. So here we go. Okay guys, so now that you remove those bolts, the bolt and the clips, just come in here, and this bottom part here, you can actually push it back and it pops out just like this. See, just like that. And I have access. So in here you can come in, and let me just put the phone in, and there you go. So you have, where is it? There's 2 of them. Let me see if I can have access there. But okay, so you see the green one and the blue one? The green one is your fog lights, and then the blue one is your daytime running lights. So to take it off, let me see if I can do it and hold this plastic at the same time and also record. Let me see, just come in here and turn to the left. Just grab it and turn it to the left. Oh, that's very uncomfortable. But just grab it, turn it to the left, and it'll come out. And then once you have it out, you bring it out here. So let me just do that. Let me just grab the whole blue thing and turn it counterclockwise so it can unlock, and then it'll come out, and then I'll bring it here and I can show you what to do next. Okay guys, I got it out, but it was actually a pain, and you can see my hand here. What I end up doing is, the best position you can do is get on your knees right here. I have a pillow or something spongy here so I can cover my knees, but knee pads will do that. We'll take care of it as well. What I did, I removed, there's a screw right here. It's a Phillips screw. So it goes right here. Go ahead and remove that. Well, that's what I did. I removed it. Once you remove it, you can move your bumper out. This goes inside like this. But once you remove it, you can do this. And I put in my hand through here without looking at anything. But what I did was I just unplugged the cable first. I was filling it with my hand, and there's a button on it. So you press the button and you pull it out. So you unplug it first. So I unplugged it. Once I unplugged it from this position like this, just without looking, just by feeling. And then I just got this and I just turned and it came out. So now the way to put it in is you're gonna put this in first, and then you're gonna plug it in. You can check the new part. You can buy it anywhere you want. I'm gonna put a link in the description if you wanna buy it online. That's cool. If not, you can be old school and drive all the way to the auto store and buy one. But anyways, I'll have the information in the description. I hope this video helped you guys. It's kind of annoying having that little light in your dashboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back. And this is, I guess, the best solution besides taking down the whole bumper. But okay guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped. Please like and subscribe.